On this millennial review, we're taking a look at Komal's Passion Leather 21-inch vintage leather duffel bag. So this is a duffel bag or a gym sports bag that's going to be made out of leather that I purchased off of Amazon. So KPL had some pretty good reviews on their stuff, which is why I wanted to choose this. But I also have an upcoming work trip that I wanted a nice carry-on sized bag, and this fits under. So a carry-on needs to be 22 inches by 11 by 9 to fit on underneath the plane, to fit in underneath the seat and be considered a carry-on. And I've been using a pretty basic duffel bag for a while and wanted to check out something a little bit nicer. So we'll go ahead and pop it out of the package. I like the fact that inside of the bag it actually comes wrapped up in a little satchel, something you can probably use to store it. And then inside of that, we're also going to have a little thank you note, and it's actually appears to be hand signed. If that's true, that's pretty nice. And on the other side, it's going to have care instructions. Now, inside of there, we're going to have another bit of plastic to pull this out. And it already looks pretty nice here. Pull this all the way open. Got these nice large handles to be able to grab it by, pick the bag up. I like the fact that they have these protective foam to make sure that the buckles didn't mess with anything. So with all the packaging undone, we can see it's got a nice outer pocket there. And let's go ahead, pop open the center. So in the center here, you're going to have a little more packaging, but it's actually got a canvas style material on the inside. And then we've also got another small zip here, which might be good for some small valuables, maybe your ID if you needed to store that. And then on the side pockets, we're of course going to get their leather shoulder strap. And then we've got another side pocket on this side as well. So what I'm going to do next is go ahead and load this up for the trip coming up, and we'll take a look at how it works when it's all filled.